Hi, I'm Jim White, and my company is Aesthetix Audio. We are a manufacturer of vacuum tube preamplifiers, power amplifiers, source components, phono stages, CD players, and we have been manufacturing for about 30 years, so a long time. And we are coming out with our new power amplifier called Dione, which is a derivative of our hybrid integrated amplifier, Mimas. And so this basically is the power amplifier section of Mimas, and it has a similar topology. It's a hybrid, so you can see inside. One tube per channel, fully balanced. So the signal comes in balanced, and if you give it a single-ended signal, it will balance it in the first stage. And it's AC coupled into the output module. The output module is fully discrete, FET input, bipolar output, DC coupled. It has no DC servo or any kind of DC correction. So in order to do that, we have to match the devices very carefully by hand, which is painstaking, requires a lot of time and effort. The power section, the large transformer is here. We wind our own transformers in the company. We're one of the very few audio manufacturers that make our own transformers. And you can see the high current wires are directly connected to the rectification and filtering stage, and it's all encompassed in a Faraday cage to keep the electromagnetic fields isolated from the low-level section. The heater supply is DC regulated. The high voltage supply is discrete regulated and using high-quality REL coupling capacitors. Again, fully balanced bridge design. It's 180 watts into 8 ohms and capable of a lot of current. We're also introducing at TAA this year our new cartridge demagnetizer, ABCD-2. We have been making ABCD-1, the original cartridge demagnetizer, for close to 30 years. Many of the parts that were designed into that have become obsolete and difficult to get, so I redesigned this one, which is easier for us to manufacture and is easier to replace the batteries inside. Because of modern manufacturing techniques, this is actually less expensive than the ABCD-1. So it's for moving coil cartridges, and it will demagnetize the cartridge, which gives it a more open and airy sound, and should be done roughly once a month, depending on how much the cartridge is being used.